Hey everyone! Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a macrame rainbow charm. To make this project you're going to need 3 1-foot pieces of 5mm string in white, 5-foot pieces of 3mm string in each color, 1.5-foot piece of 2mm string, and a bead. You'll also need a glue gun to finish the project. You will start with your 2mm string folded in half and put one of your 5mm strings on top. You're going to pull your 2mm string through the loop, and this will be the hanging string for your rainbow. In order to fit the bead on the string, I like to use a piece of tape and wrap it around the 2 strings so the bead slides on pretty easily. Here we use a 20mm wood bead. They're available on our website for purchase. Now we will start with the first color of your rainbow. You'll want to start wrapping the string around your rainbow, making sure to keep the end tucked up, and you're going to wrap around it. You want to make sure you wrap pretty tightly here so that the string doesn't come loose, and you want to cover all of the white part, leaving the end for the cloud, of course. Wrap your string all the way up, making sure to shape your rainbow as you go. When you get closer to the bead, you'll want to wrap around the string that the bead is on so there's no white space on your rainbow. Keep wrapping until you get to the end where you want your cloud to start. To end the colored string, you have to wrap around, and then you're going to pull the end of the string through the loop, making a knot at the end. You're going to want to pull that really tight. Once you've tightened it enough, you can go ahead and cut the string. Now you can follow the same steps with your second color. Make sure to wrap really tight. You'll want to check to make sure the colors line up evenly and the clouds start at the same spot. Now finish off this color the way you did before with a really tight knot. Repeat one last time with your third color. Once you have all 3 colors finished, you're going to want to get your glue gun. Now, starting with the inside color, you're going to put a really thin bead of glue on the edge where it meets the second color. Less is better here because you don't want the glue to show. Carefully placing them together, put a little pressure on it so that they stick. Once you've given it a little bit of time to dry, you can continue on the rest of the rainbow. Make sure to bend it in the shape that you want your rainbow to be. Now finish off with one last bead of glue just to the end of the colored part. Repeat this process, now putting the glue on the middle color and attaching your top piece. Now you can trim your clouds. Try to use a sharp pair of scissors. Mine obviously didn't work too great. Make sure they are even in size. Now you can make a small knot at the top of the hanging string to hang your rainbow. I like to use a comb to brush out my clouds to make them look really fluffy. You can do this with a pet brush as well. And voila, you've made a beautiful macrame rainbow.